Good morning, children. Welcome to class 8. Let's start our today's topic, chapter exponents. And you know very well that in previous video I have explained you chapter second first exercise. Now in this video you will get chapter number 2, my Makani. You know very well, right? So first question is write each of the following numbers in standard form. Okay. What is the standard form now? The question arises this. In standard form, you have to put the point after one digit only. This is called standard form in exponents, right? And if I say, you can see in first question, what is 57.36 is given to you. Okay, how you will convert this in standard form? See over here, 57.36 is here now. You just shift the point, 57 point is there, no? You just shift the point to left side, one digit left side, right? It will become 5.736. But it's not your choice to shift like this only. And you have to change also. What you have to change? You have to multiply by 10. Because you are shifting the point, which side? Left side. One digit you are shifting, no? So you have to multiply by 10. So it will be 5.736 into 10. Because standard form is, it means you have to place the point after one digit only. So one digit is 5. After 5, there must be a point. So you are shifting the point right side, one digit. So you should multiply by 10. It will be 5.736 into 10. Same in case of 3, 5. It's you can see it is 35 lakh, right? If you want to convert in standard form, you have to shift the point. If there is no point, it means point is here. I'm placing here, red. You can see here is the point. Okay, you have to shift the point after one digit. One digit is 3. Okay, how many digits you are shifting? 1, 0, 2. See on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 digits are here. You are shifting the point. You are shifting it right side after 6 digits. Yes or no? So you should write 3.500. You can put or no. Not, it's up to your wish. Because after point there is no value of 0. 3.5 into 10 raised to power 6. Because 6 digits right side you are left side you are shifting the point. Okay, 273,000, same like this only. Rest of the parts are just same only. Okay, you have to try. Clear all of you? Here's the solution of rest of the parts. Let me explain the last part, question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is 345 into 10 raised to power 5. Okay, 345 into 10 raised to power 5 is here. Point is here, right? You have to shift the point. 1, 2 digit you have to shift. 10 raised to 5 power 5 is already here. 2 digit you are shifting. It will become 10 raised to power 7 and point will be 3.45. After shifting the point, you have to increase the power with 2 because there is 5 power and you are shifting 2 digits forward. Which side? Left side. So you have to make it 10 raised to power 5 as 10 raised to power 7. Clear all of you? This is called standard form. It's too easy. Hope you got it. So coming to the next question. Question number 2. See on the screen. What's the question over here? Question is write each of the following numbers in usual form. Normal form you have to write. This is standard form given to you. You have to convert in usual form. 3.74 into 10 raised to power 5 is there. Right? 3.74 into 10 raised to power 5. You just delete the point. To delete the point, you have to put 0, right, to the denominator. After point, there are 2 digits. Okay, you will divide it by 100. If after point there will be 3 digits, then you have to divide it by 1000. But now here 2 digits are here, right? So you have to divide it by 100 into 10 raised to power 5. Now listen, 100 can be written as 10 raised to power 2. Yes or no? It can be written. Okay. 10 raised to power 5 is over here. When bases are same. Okay. And in divide, 10 raised to power 5 is divided by 10 raised to power 2. Bases are same. In divide, power should be subtracted. It will become 5 minus 2. It will become 10 raised to power 3. So 374 into 10 raised to power 3 means 1000. Right? They have opened this, and 374000 will be the answer. Clear? Second part, 6.912 into 10 raised to power 8 is here. You have to convert it into usual form. Right? First of all, we are deleting the point. To delete the point, we have to put 1000 down in dividing. Right? You have to show that you are dividing by 1000 after deleting the point. Into 10 raised to power 8 is over here. 1000 can be written as 10 raised to power 3, right? And 10 raised to power 8 is in multiply. Base is same, power should be subtracted. 8 minus 3 will become 10 raised to power 5. If this is 10 raised to power 5, you should open the power. 10 raised to power 5 means 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? This will be the, you have to multiply this, and this will be the usual form. Similarly, like this only, you can try rest of the parts. Clear all of you? So coming to the next slide. This is the solution of previous question only. You can see. And question number 3. Listen to me carefully. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. Write it in standard form. You know very well. In standard form, point must be after one digit only, right? So if you want to put the point like 1, 2, 3, after 3 digit you are going to put the point now. So after 3 digit you are going to put, you have to multiply it by 1000. Because 3 digit means 3 zeros means 1000. So it will be 8.848 and 1000 can be written as 10 raised to power 3. That's it. Simple. Clear all of you? So next is speed of light is. This is the speed of light. This is given to you. Okay. You can see. And express it in standard form. Standard form you want to put it now. So as you know very well that in standard form after one digit you have to put the point. So after one digit means here I'm placing here a point. I want to place a point over here, right? So let's see how many digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are here. So you will put 3 point and 8 zeros you can put in multiply. Multiply 1 into multiply 1, 8 zeros, right? 3 into 8 zeros can be written as 10 raised to power 8, right? So this will be the answer. Standard form. Okay. Similarly, you can try third question. Okay. It's too simple. Question. Mass of Earth is given to you. What is the mass of Earth? It is 5.97 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Okay. Mass of Moon is also given to you. 7.35 into 10 raised to power 22 kg. What is the total mass of the two? Total mass means we have to add them, right? If you want to add them, what you will do? Mass of Earth is this. You have to write mass of Moon is this. You have to write. Then total means both you have to write, and in between you have to place the sign of plus. Total means plus, right? Now 5.97, 7.35, right? You just delete the point. To delete the point, after point 2 digits are here, then you have to divide it by 100. Here you have to divide it by 100. Here also 7.35, you can divide it by 100. It's up to your wish. Okay, so this is 10 raised to power 24, right? And this can be written as 100 can be written as 10 raised to power 2. Here down you can see 10 raised to power 2. Bases are same. 10 raised to power 24 and 10 raised to power 2 are in divide. Base same, power should be subtracted. You know very well. If bases are same, in divide power should be subtracted. 24 will be subtracted from, you have to subtract 2 from 24. It will be 10 raised to power 22. Now it will be easy for you to add them, because here also 10 raised to power 22. Here also 10 raised to power 22. You can take 10 raised to power 22 common. Yes, 22 common. Now inside 597 plus 7.35, right? 597 plus 7.35. Just add them. After adding, you will get 604.35. into bracket, in bracket 10 raised to power 22 is here only. This will be the answer. Clear all of you? That's it. It's too simple, no? So next question we should try. Let's try. Write each of the following numbers in standard form. You have to write in standard form these numbers, okay? And how you will write? See, here's the question. You can see the question. That's 0.0006. Here, 0.0006. First of all, delete the point, please, because standard form means you have to place the point after one digit, or digit must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Natural number. It must not be 0, right? Here the point after 0, okay, like this. Fifth part I'm doing for you. First of all, first is easy, you can try, okay? See, here the point is after 0, but we want to shift the point after one point, right? If you want to shift the point right side, how many digits you want to shift? See, point is here. How many digits you will shift in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Getting 8 digits you have to shift. Now you are shifting right side, so you have to divide it by 10 raised to power 8. You have to divide it. Why you have to divide? Because you are shifting right side. When you will shift left side, then you have to multiply. So divided it by 10 raised to power 8, and in down, if there is a if you are going to place the number in power and you will shift that number to the numerator, the sign will be changed. Sign of power will be changed. 10 raised to power 8 will become 10 raised to power minus 8, because you have shifted the denominator to numerator. Yeah, this will be the this 165 into 10 raised to power minus 8, but you want to shift the point till 1 only, okay? So 1 only, no? Point is here. If nothing is there, then you can take point at the last. Now you have to shift 1, 2 digits negative. This is a very lengthy way to do the sum, okay? You should try another way. I will tell you. Wait, like if you want to shift the point, again I'm telling you, wait, see. The simple way I'm telling you, it's too simple. Listen to me carefully. Okay. Here you want to shift the point after one only. Okay. Standard form is after one digit. Digit must be 1, 2, 3, 4, like natural number. It must not be 0, right? You want to shift the point after 1. So after 1 only you have to count the digits after point. Point is here and counting the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are here. So you should write 1 point directly 6.5, because you are shifting point over here. 1.65 into 6 digits here you are shifting now, into 10 raised to power minus 6, because you will put 10 raised to power down, no? When you will shift upward denominator with numerator, it will become negative. This will be the direct answer. Clear all of you? This will be the direct answer. Hope you are getting. Okay. Again, I'm explaining you question number 6. Okay. This is little bit different. That's why I'm explaining you last sums only. 0.0000689. I want to shift the point after 6 only. Here. See. I'm placing the mark over here with red color, right? So I want to shift here. Just shift the point. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are here. So what you will do? 689 upon 9 zeros you will place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits you have to place. In this is lengthy part. You can place 9 zeros and you can place like this 6.89 into 10 raised to power minus 9, because you are shifting to the numerator now. It will become minus 9. This is too easy way. You can do like this. Okay. No need to follow this too typical method. Okay. No need to follow. This is the simple way. You want to shift the point after one digit. Just count the digits and multiply by 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay. Clear? Clear all of you? It's too simple. So next You can use this way also. That's why I've written here, so that some of the students will follow this long way and some of the students will follow this easy way. So it's up to your wish. Easy way I've written with this red pen, and the typical way is in the PPT only. I have shown you. Okay. Question number 6. First 1 micron is equals to 1 upon, it is given in the question only that it is 1 micron is equals to 10 lakh 1 upon 10 lakh meter. Express it in the standard form. Standard form you want to express 1 upon 10 lakh, it means 10 raised to power 6, right? 10 raised to power 6 will go up. When you will shift it upward, it will become minus 6. 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6 will be the answer. Similarly, you can do the rest of the questions, 2 questions. Write each of the following in usual form. I explained you this question in the previous second question also. The same thing it is, but the power is negative only. This is the difference only. Okay. So the question is 2.06 into 10 raised to power minus 5. This is no. If 2.06 into 10 raised to power minus 5 is here, first of all, delete this minus sign, minus 5, right? This will bother you. First of all, shift this 10 raised to power 5 minus 5 down to the denominator to make it positive. So it will be 10 raised to power plus 5 when you will shift down. Okay. And you can open 10 raised to power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit zeros are here. You should open it. And after leaving 5 digits, you have to place the point, right? And it is 2.06 now. You should open this also. It will be point. You have to remove the point. Multiply it by 100. Total zeros will be 10 raised to power 5 and 2. It will be 7. Now just count 7 digits. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits you have to count from right side and you have to place a point. This will be the usual form. Answer. Clear all of you? It's too simple. Okay, you can try this. Clear all of you? So next part, and hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.